Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this black cloak with hood filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Let me remove this first. Okay, so to get this filter, what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Okay, and you will see this pop-up on Snapchat, unlock for 48 hours. Tap there. And that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.